Hi everyone, Simon here, and it is Thursday afternoon. Just want to take you through the forecasts for the weekend, show you where we're going with things. This is the chart from the Met Office. Yeah, the Met Office. God bless them and all who sail in them. It's for midnight tonight, shows low pressure across the north of the country. If we knock that through, you'll be able to see ridge of high pressure this building through during the course of Friday. And then on Saturday, here comes our low, spinning back down across the country and bringing some more unsettled conditions as we get through towards Sunday and the beginning of next week. Incidentally, these dotted lines here, look, showing us a cold pull there to the west of Ireland, slow moving as it slips its way south, warming through steadily through Sunday, and as it swings its way east into Monday, into the North Sea, it's going to be warming its way through, and it's going to be gradually weakening, but not before it's brought us these northerly winds. Big question is what happens out to the west, because this ridge is building into the west for a time, middle of next week, but then low pressure's coming off the coasts of the states, including the remnants of Tropical Storm Emily, and that can have a big impact on our weather next week. Put a video together about that, thinking ahead and into the week after next. But back to the forecast for today. Let me just show you this first of all. Look, this is the comparison between today's temperatures, that's Thursday afternoon's temperatures, and yesterday afternoon, Wednesday. This is yesterday afternoon. Just look at these sort of temperatures. We've got 28, we've got a 29, even got a 30 here at Mildenhall. These charts, by the way, from weatheronline.co.uk. Now compare that to today. 4 o'clock this afternoon, look at that, 10 degrees colder. It's now 20 degrees at Mildenhall. Starting to warm up a little bit though, thanks to the sunshine through the Western Midlands, but a big drop in temperature today as the air mass has changed from a continental air mass into one coming in from the Atlantic. Okay, so how do things shape up in the next few days? So these are the charts from the expert chart section at weatheronline.co.uk, and it's the GFS model. So if we knock through, the time is up here in the top left hand corner. There's our area of low pressure across the north during the course of Friday. Any remaining rain clearing away from northern Scotland, and notice how Friday's a generally dry day. I think there will be a fair amount of cloud around, particularly for the north and the west, and there could just be a few showers here, but down towards the southeast it should be generally dry. It should stay dry through the evening as well, just 1 or 2 showers picked up by the model there, but I think the threat is relatively low. Now, need to watch for an area of cloud and perhaps some spots of rain just moving northwards through the Midlands into northern England, look, as we get through in towards Saturday morning. Some showers coming into western parts of Scotland as well, but for most of us it looks as if it will be dry. Notice though that the layer of low pressure, look, is developing out towards the west, and watch what happens as we get through Saturday. We'll find showers and outbreaks of rain becoming more persistent and widespread across northern England and Scotland as well as Ireland. Much of southern England probably stays dry, but it's a destabilising situation, so things are gradually becoming more moist, and as we get through in towards Sunday, so we find rain across the north and the west, well, showers more than anything else, and they'll become heavier and more frequent through Sunday itself as this low swings its way eastwards through the country. I think showers relatively few and far between for the central and eastern parts of England as well as the south, but heavier, more persistent rain, showers out towards the west. And they swing through during Sunday night into Monday, becoming breezy as well. And then through Monday we've got a northwesterly flow, bringing showers or outbreaks of rain down eastern coast, less so towards the west, but still could be 1 or 2 heavy showers, especially on exposed coasts of the north and the west. And then into next week, well, here's our little ridge of high pressure, look, starting to build in. Tuesday sees further showers down these eastern coasts, but for most it looks like being a dry day with sunny spells as the ridge builds east. And I think Wednesday looking quite good as well for most of us, a ridge of high pressure in towards the south and the east, but fronts look coming into western parts of Scotland and also Western Ireland, these perhaps affecting the north of England, bringing some outbreaks of rain there. Question after that is, what happens to our little high? Does it collapse away or does it build back northwards? Well, the GFS has got it kind of in between the two, and I can see this where we get low pressure off to the northwest of Scotland, high pressure down towards the south, bits and pieces of rain down here, most of the rain across Scotland and western parts of Ireland. So, hope that's been a useful forecast for you. Thanks for watching and keep the sun shining.